Now we need to update core Drupal. Let's click the available updates link here. So it says the recommended version right now is 8.1.7. Let's open up the release notes in a new tab. All right, let's take a look at the update steps for updating Drupal core. So first, we're going to put the site into maintenance mode. We'll remove the core and vendor directories, as well as all files at the root level. We'll download the latest version of Drupal 8. We'll run update.php, and then we're going to turn off maintenance mode. Now, there are some additional details littered throughout here that are helpful if you run into problems or are using an alternate method of updating. But the basic steps are pretty straightforward. So first, let's turn on maintenance mode. So again, we'll go to configuration, and then under development here, we'll put maintenance mode on. Again, we should have already created a backup of our sites and database. Now let's download the latest version of Drupal 8. All right, and we got it here. And now here's the root directory of our Drupal site. What I'm going to do is select everything, and our goal is to delete the core directory, the vendor directory, and all the other files here. So we'll uncheck every other directory besides those two, and we'll delete them all. Now let's go back to the latest Drupal 8 version, and we're going to copy everything here, but we're going to remove the folders that we left behind. We'll copy and paste, and then we'll go back to the site and run update.php. We'll click continue. For this particular update, we don't have any pending updates, so we're good to go here. Let's go to our administrative pages, and let's check to make sure we don't have any more updates to apply. So we'll go to reports and available updates. Everything is green, so we're good to go. As a final step, we'll turn off maintenance mode. So we'll click the Go Online, we'll uncheck Put Site into Maintenance Mode, and click Save Configuration.